Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 air impact wrenches. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As the item number 3, we've selected Fujiwara Pneumatic Wrench Half. Specifications. Brand name, Fujiwara. Type, air wrench. Average air consumption, 4.2 cfm. Usage, renovation team. Size, 210 x 175 x 100. Model number, Fuj 518. Maximum torque, 1200 Nm. No load speed, 7,000 revolutions per minute. Net weight, 2.9 kilograms. Total weight, 4.6 kilograms. Material, plastic steel. Air pressure, 6-8 kilograms/cm2, 0.6 to 0.8 megapascals. Air inlet, 1/4 of an inch. The item number 2 is Fujiwara 2800 Nm Pneumatic Air Wrench. Specifications. Brand name, Fujiwara. Type, air wrench. Average air consumption, 600 liters per minute. Usage, commercial manufacture. Model number, Fuj 2800. Maximum torque, 2800 Nm. No load speed, 4,600 R per minute. On the top of our list at number 1 we have, 1/2 inch 7445 Pneumatic Impact Wrench. Specifications. Brand name, Rongping. Type, air wrench. Average air consumption, 12 cubic meters/h. Usage, commercial manufacture. Size, 1/2 anquat, ID. Model number, 7445. Maximum torque, 6,900 Nm. No load speed, 7,000 rpm. Air hose inner diameter, 8 mm or 13 mm. Max bolt, 16 mm. Working pressure, 6 bar to 14 bar. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.